Hi everyone, in this video I show you how to do a full salon style pedicure step by step. It's super helpful for beginners and I guide you through everything step by step. Before I start, it's important to spray alcohol on the client's feet to disinfect the area. This helps prevent infections and skin diseases. We remove all the oil from the nail bed, but be careful not to overfile. This can thin the natural nail. We start by using a sandy flame shaped drill bit to gently lift the cuticles off the nail surface. If the cuticles are really stuck to the nail bed, first push them back gently with a pusher and then use the flame-shaped sanding bit to lift them off. Make sure not to apply any pressure with your hand and never push the drill into the cuticle area. Just gently lift the cuticle, no pressure at all. Then we trim the lifted and dry cuticles without any pressure by hand. Ball-shaped drill bit is very gentle and I highly recommend using it if you are a beginner. You can use it to lift the cuticles both in the earlier step and here as well. It doesn't require much hand control and won't damage the cuticle area. Just make sure not to stay in one spot too long or apply too much pressure. Keep your movements soft and gentle. So use a larger bit to smooth and clean up the dry skin around the cuticle. All of these bits are sanding bits and very beginner friendly. So apply a thin layer of base coat, keeping about 1 millimeter away from the cuticle area. Then apply the first layer of gel polish thinly, keeping about 1 millimeter away from the cuticle area. So the second layer is slightly thicker, and we use a liner brush to perfect the curve around the cuticle for a clean, neat finish. Then make sure the product does not touch or flood the cuticle, as this can cause lifting. If the gel polish is not pigmented enough, you can apply a third layer. My friend, keep in mind each layer is cured for 30 seconds. Then in the last step, we clean around the nails and apply cuticle oil as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support it with a like.